change the 8 with a 5. You see what the question says? The value of 82
Yes, sir.
will be changed by how much if the
Sir.
8 were replaced by a 5?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
man, go
sir,
ahead.
the value of
Good evening.
sir. Can I
Sir, the
explain the
value of
answer? 82 would be 80.
Sir, can I explain it?
All right, go again.
Sir, so first you replace the 8 with the 5 and you're gonna get 52. And then it says the value of 82 would be changed by how much if the 8 were replaced by 5. So you subtract the 82 from the 52 and you'll get 30.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir, that's what I did.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
I was
Suel.
just saying, good evening, and I'm not new. I'm new to the mental ability class, but I'm not new to the math class. I was just introducing myself.
Okay, okay. All right. Sorry about that because everyone was talking all at once. So welcome,
Yeah.
Suel. Yeah, it's gonna be good though. So guys, what they wanted to do is to change the digit 8 to 5, right? And they see by how much would the number change. So yeah, that would be correct. It would be the difference. So it would be 82 take away 52. 2 from 2, 0, and that 3. Alright. Guys, I already have a video to share with you guys, alright? The one that we did this morning. I probably could share this one also if you guys want. That's not a problem. Alright, so let's go to number 22. If you write down all the
Sir, may I
numbers
do this
from
one?
1 to 100, then how many times would you write the digit 3? So I would write them down, guys. What you guys think?
Yes, sir, write them down. You have a better understanding.
Yeah. So write them down and then you check them and tell me how many you got.
Sir, I think it's 18.
Alright, but is it about
So
what you think though? Wouldn't you write them down as you said? Guys,
Yes,
that is
sir.
it, you know. There's no shortcut to pass
Sir.
in maths, right?
So is it 30? 33?
Sir, 20.
With what?
My head.
No. Get paper.
Sir,
Yeah, man, I'm here. Did you write them down, guys?
I think the answer is 11.
But guys, that's what we are saying. We're not gonna assume, we're not gonna think, we're gonna actually do it because this requires doing, right? It was the same thing I was saying to the morning class.
Sir, 20. Sir, 20.
You wrote them down?
Yes, sir, I got 20.
Okay.
Sir, I got 20. Sure.
Okay, okay.
And I wrote them down.
I got 20 as well.
Alright, alright.
Sir, same thing.
Alright. That is what you have to do in this quiz, guys. Alright? You have to write them down. Because guess what? There's no way no one could just know without actually doing them. So it's either you're gonna write them down or you're gonna count them, depending on the list. If it's a allocative,
I got 20.
yeah, 20 is correct. Let us look at it. But guys, persons are saying I think it's 11. That's not the right approach. These are things that we can be sure of because we can actually write it down one at a time. So look at it. We start at 3, right? It's only the numbers that has 3 in it we need. So then we'd have 13 and so on, right? 23. But it gets a lot when you come to 30. So it will be 30, 31, 32, 33. Notice you write it twice, right? You write 3 twice. 34, 35, 36, 37. You see that, guys? 38, 39. What's the next number? After 39.
43.
43.
And you continue
Sir,
like
this
that.
is taking too long, man. We're gonna
No,
spend a whole hour on this.
That's why
but
must do
Biggs, you tell me it's 11, you know.
73, 83,
93.
and
93.
93, sir.
And then you count them. This is the safest way, guys. So you don't want to do it the calculation way. Or you could do like count how many in the 30s and then you add the rest. Like 13, 23, 43. You could count how many in the 30s and then you add them. But this is the safest way to ensure that you don't miss out any number. And even with 33, some persons might forget to that is 2 times the right 33. Alright? Look at this one now. 23. It says the sum of two numbers is 17. Which of the following is true? Why this not going down? I don't understand. Oh.
the sum of two numbers is 17. Sir, sir, I got my answer. Sir, what? Sir, I got my answer. C.
Sir, I think my
One
answer is
even
C.
number.
My
So
answer
one
is C.
even number and one odd number.
Alright.
Sir, my answer is C. One even number, one odd number.
Sir, my answer is C.
Answer.
Sir, my answer is
C,
C. C, sir.
I'm gonna try to see.
Alright.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man. You have any proof to be say you're sure is that is the answer?
Sir, my
Yes,
proof,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, my
sir.
proof is 10 plus 7 is 17, and and 10 is an even number.
9 plus
7 is an
9 plus
odd
8.
number.
9 plus
Alright.
8
Sir,
that
9
also equal
plus
to
8
17.
equals 17.
9 plus 8 is equal to 17.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
8 plus
So
9 that
notice
equals
all of
17.
them. That is what is required of you guys. Don't just use one, but use more than one. Just to test the theory. Good job, good job. I like that. Alright. So the sum of two numbers is 17. And notice they give you a reasonable number, guys, where you can add them and get 17. So we shouldn't be getting these incorrect because we can literally try them. We can try numbers. Alright, and we know what sum means. Sum means to add. So this shouldn't be a problem, guys. 24, given that 5 and 3/4 is equal to 5 plus bracket, box plus box, but we call it box, or square. Square plus square plus square. What does the box represent?
Sir, I think the answer is B, sir. Can I explain my answer?
Yeah, Abby, I think you should know it because you were here this morning, so yeah, man, you can explain.
So it couldn't. So some people would think that it is A, but it actually isn't A. Because if you add 3 over 4 3 times, you would get 9 over 4, and then it would equal to 1, no, 2, and 1 over 4. So A could not be the answer. And then you go to B now, and if you add 1 over 4 3 times, you like 3 over 4, and you already have 5 as a whole number.
Yeah, that is correct, right? Because it is saying 5 plus what? But the box represents one number. But when you add that, it's supposed to come up to the 3/4, right? Because remember, it's 5. The 5 is equal to the 5, so that means it all should come to 3/4. Well done, Abby. So then now we'd have a
Sir,
quarter.
Mr. Wright. Ian Wright. Hand raised. Answer acknowledged, please. Ian's hand has been
Things
raised
I'm
for the
not hearing
past.
you, you know. So the
Ian's
denominator
hand
is the
has
same.
been raised for the past 15 minutes.
But we are talking freely, so. Oh, B. It should be B, guys. computer didn't show me that. Alright, up to now I don't see it, guys. I don't see any hands raised. So I'm not sure what's happening. I'm literally on the everything. I see the chat, 12 person in the chat, participant, but I don't see any hand raised up to now. Alright, so that, because it have the same denominator, we know what to do. Keep the denominator and we add it. So remember, what's an equation is that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Alright? We couldn't use 3/4 because it would be 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4, which would give us 9/4 as Abby says, and that would be 2 1/4. So we have to be very careful that way, you know, these equations and these things where we can actually put the answer in there and test it, we should not be getting these incorrect. So you wanted to say something, Briggs? Still want to?
What did you say, sir?
You say you had your hand up. Up to now I don't see it.
Not me. Ian.
Ian, I don't see that.
He just reloaded it, sir.
But I still don't see any hand up. Normally the computer will show me and say 5 people had their hand up. Alright, so Ian, what you wanted to share?
No, sir, it was an accident.
Oh. Because he said 20 minutes ago, so I thought, yeah, alright, no problem. Alright, look at this one carefully, guys. It says, in the following diagram, why am I reading, guys? Why am I not have any volunteers to read?
Me, sir. Kayla Evans.
Alright, go ahead, Kayla. Because remember, you are the one doing the exam, you know, so.
In the following diagram, there is a pattern of 5 squares. In which of the following squares continues the pattern?
Alright, so look at this one carefully. I want everyone to WhatsApp me this one. I was a bit surprised on some of the answers that I got this morning. So guys, if you have WhatsApp, just WhatsApp me 25. If you think it's A, if you think it's B, I'm going to small it up so you can see all the options. I was a bit surprised on some of the answers that I got this morning and the way persons look at it. For the persons who are in grade 5 now and going grade 6, next year I just want to start off. I think I'm gonna separate it from the others because I'm just gonna focus on critical thinking a lot because I realize there's a deficiency there. So the ones that I have, I'm not gonna mix you guys with the others that coming in. I'm just gonna keep you guys together.
I'm sending it in WhatsApp directly.
Yeah, man, you can send it in WhatsApp, guys. Thanks, Jenny. Thanks, Ian. I got all of them, basically. Alright. I got Renee. I got Carl. Kayla. Wisom. Khalil. Alright.
So I just text you it.
Yeah, man. Just WhatsApp me.
Just say ARB.
Yeah. So you said 25 ARB. So you put the number, guys. Alright. That's how we did it this morning. So we were moving much slower than now. Thanks, Jose. Sinclair.
Sir, I'm going to send my answer to you again.
Demona Murphy, I got yours.
It's going to be confusing.
Nahalia, I got yours also. Kimberly, I got yours. Thanks.
Sir, send my answer to you again.
Sydney, I got yours. Kamaya, I got yours. Kayla, where you send it? Yeah. I know. I got it, Kayla. Because I have Kayla, man.
The new one, sir?
I didn't realize that it was you.
The new one, the new number, sir?
Yeah. I save it that because I already have your name. I put Mandeville beside it, and I was saying, who's that? But then I realized it's you. Yeah, man, I got it.
Okay,
All right.
sir.
Let me see how many. I'm gonna count how many persons message me. I'm not gonna call out the names or anything, but I'm gonna call out how many persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 so far. The others don't have phone. What's happening, guys? 19, because Natalia just texted me. 20, because Alia also texted me. What happened to the others? Still haven't decided yet. I really want to see your input. I got Mekai. Thanks, Mekai.
You're welcome, sir.
All right, all right. What about the others? Kevina, I got yours.
I
Thanks.
don't have WhatsApp, so I send it in the chat.
Okay. All right. My friend from Westmoreland just text me also. Yeah. Kimaya, Javaya, I got yours. All right. So, guys, I'm going to tell you how many persons got the correct answer. All right. In the chat, 1, 2, 3. All right. 3 persons text in the chat. All correct. All of them got it from the chat. All right. Let me tell you how many persons in the WhatsApp now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So guys, out of 20 persons, 11 got it correct.
Answer is B as in boy.
Yeah, it is B as in boy.
Yes.
Some persons chose D, some persons chose A. Not many persons chose C.
No? Meeting just
But
start.
mostly A and D persons chose. The person that got it incorrect, they either chose A or D. I think only one person chose A. But look at it, guys. Just look at it. As someone explained this morning, if you look at the pattern, it's like you're going that direction. You see?
Sir, can I explain?
Yeah, go ahead. I like when students are more active than me. Go ahead.
Sir, so when it goes on, the little equal sign takes the place of the 0. And you just keep on moving on.
Oh, you look at it from here, so.
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
I explain my reasoning
Yeah,
with that
Kayla, go
question?
ahead. You know I will allow
So,
anyone.
sir, what I think each time it just goes around the box.
That's
That's
how
my
I look at
reasoning.
it. I just imagine like the little snake thing. So
Yes, exactly, sir.
yeah, I
Little
was
snake
thinking in
game.
that line, guys. So it's like you're going this direction. You see? But then every time this move, then the O, the same as how Aiden look at it, but he look at it from the other angle. And you see that,
Yes, sir,
guys?
that's what I look at.
Yeah, it's a different way to look at it. I didn't even look at it that way, but I was thinking it's going like this, based on these. So you have these, and then you go so. So you can see that the X comes here, the O there, and then the equal sign. And then I check if it continues like that. So see, it move over in this one. That means next it's gonna go down 1, and then you see, and then the final one it go down. So you are here. So I'm thinking the X is gonna come here, the 0 or the O come here, and then the equal sign. So that matches with B. But it's amazing how persons look at it differently, but we get the same answer. Alright, so that's I want somebody to explain this one, but I want everyone to attempt it first. So if you could just WhatsApp me the answer, and then we can take it from there.
Sir, can you zoom it out a little bit?
Oh, you're not seeing it properly? That's fine now.
Yes, sir.
What happened to crew? Crew is not on. All right.
Sir, could I explain this one?
Yeah, man. You can.
Okay, sir.
But my answer, this was actually easy. All you're doing is adding.
All right.
I got my answer too.
Thanks, Javid. Thanks, Javid. Javid has also sent me his.
Sir, I have my answer.
All right. You can WhatsApp me this one, guys. Just text me and welcome, Javid. By the way.
So I'm gonna send mine in the chat.
Yeah. All right. I will look at it.
Excuse me, sir. What year paper was this?
This is actually a mock paper.
Sir, can I tell you how I got the answer?
Yeah, man. Someone asked, so I'm gonna make both of you explain. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, is there a trick to this question?
Well, I'm not
Sir,
sure. You
sir,
think there's a trick to it?
sir, can I explain?
You think there's a trick to it?
No, sir.
You just
Oh,
think that's
I can actually tell you. Week 1, she makes 234 skips. Week 2, she makes the same. Ah! There is a trick. There is
really?
a trick. I would have
Sir,
got
I
it
don't
wrong.
think there's any trick. I
Yes,
really
sir,
don't.
because
Either.
look at it. She makes week 2, she makes the same number of skips as week 1. So that will make it think like she did no skips week 1. So she did. So she didn't. So she just did her skips. So Monday, the first week, and said, "Huh, I did 234 skips. Why do I need today?" But I just realized that 234 skips on week 1, she makes the same number of skips on week 1. So that's 234 plus 234. And then you're gonna add the 100.
All right.
Sir, there's an
So
easier way
Kayla,
to solve it.
I'm gonna give everyone that asked, 3-person asked. Kayla, give us your explanation, and then there's another person that asked.
excuse me, sir,
Please,
could I go after them?
you didn't give us an answer yet. So I'm gonna come back
Yes,
to
sir.
you.
I have my answer. 568 C.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Excuse
So
me, sir,
Kayla,
could
go
I
ahead.
go after
Sir, so what I did, my answer is D802 because Yvonne skips 3 different days weekly. Week 1, she made 234 skips. Week 2, she makes the same number of skips as week 1. So what I did, I added 234 plus 234. And then it says week 3, she skips 100 more than she did on week 1. So I added 100 to 234 plus 234, and that's how I got 802.
346 on week 1.
When you add this, you got 334, right?
Same number amount of skips, right?
434.
So
No,
I thought,
Yeah, that's it.
so you add 334 to this.
I was a detective.
Yes, sir, that's what
Why
I
am
did.
I writing the wrong
Mine
thing?
is so smart.
All right. There was another person that wanted to explain.
That's how I got my 802.
There was me.
You can go ahead now. The
Sir,
third person.
So what I did was that it says that week 1 Week 1, she makes 234 skips. Week 2, she makes the same number of skips as week 1. Week 3,
Yeah, don't call me sir.
she skips 100 more than she did on week 1. So I added 234. Well, I multiplied 234 times 2.
Yeah, that's another way to look at it.
And then I got 468. And then I added 468 plus 100. I got 568.
So your answer is C?
Yes.
Okay. So
Sir,
Hmm?
sir,
Yeah, man, I'm listening.
the same way I was going to explain it to you.
Oh, you got C also. Alright. So Kayla got 802. The others got 568, right?
Excuse me,
Let
sir.
us,
Could I explain why it's not C?
yeah, go ahead and explain why and tell us what you got.
I got D, and the reason why I say it's not C is because if you look at week 3, it says she skips 100 more than she skipped on week 1, and not 100. She did not do 100 skips on week 3, but she did more than what she did on week 1. So you're going to add 100 to the 234, and then you're going to add
Right.
it.
He's actually right.
So you
Yeah.
can't get it
Yeah.
has to be D.
They kind of figure out if they put the 100 there, you guys will be tempted to say, okay, the person skip 100 on the week 3. But you have to read carefully. And remember I said that, guys, the only thing I'm worried about is if you guys do not spend enough time and read the questions to answer what they ask for. Now they give you the information, but they give you another clue form. Someone was saying if there's a trick to it. There is, because the 100 more, if we don't careful, we think that it's 100 the person skipped in week 3. But it's actually 100 more than week 1. So we have to add 100. So that's how Kayla got this here with the 334, right? We have to skip 100 more. So it's 234 plus the 100 that gives you the 334. So yeah, it's 802. Alright? So guys, read the questions at least 4 times. Write down the information and write what they ask you for. Alright? Do it in a logical way. Don't just do it, read and just answer. We don't do that. Alright? We take up the information part by part and then we answer it based on what they ask us for. Alright? Well explained though. But I understand why some persons got a little bit carried away with the 100. But that is why we have to read it more than once, guys. At least 4 times. I used to say 3 times, but I realized persons are rushing it, so I could read it at least 4 times. The more you read it, actually the easier it becomes, because you understand exactly what is required of you. Item 27 to 28, a term is missing from the sequence. Find the
Sir, I
missing.
got my answer.
What's
Sir, I
your
got my
answer,
answer.
Ian? What's your answer?
Wait. 20, 20, 20.
So Ian, you say you have the answer and then you check it.
Sir, for my answer, can I explain it?
Alright, wait, we're gonna
32,
wait
sir.
on
32
Ian
is
first.
my
It
answer.
was the first
Sir,
one.
32 is my answer.
How much?
32.
32. Explain how you got it.
Okay, sir. So you can say 7 plus 2, that equals to 9. So basically, they're adding up by the even numbers. I'm going to say 9 plus 4, that equals to, that 9 plus 4, that equals to 13. 13 plus 8, that equals to 21. And double 8, that equals 16. So you're going to say 21 plus 16, that equals to 32. So that's how I got my 32, sir.
Hold on, Ian. Stick up in.
Excuse me, sir.
Add this Ian. You got 32 from this? Sure.
No, sir, that is 37.
7.
Yeah. So Ian, that's you see what I'm talking about. Take your time. The moment I said do this one, Ian said I got my answer. Take your time, guys. That is what we're talking about. Making simple mistakes. We do not want that. You know the answer, you do everything correct except get the correct answer. We don't want that, guys. If it's a case where you don't understand how to do it, we can accept that because yeah, it might slip you. But you know exactly what to do because you don't spend enough time, you rush it and say 32. Alright? And always double check your word. Alright. So let
Sir,
us
look at
see.
it this way.
Alright.
Sir, looked at it this way. Every time the number doubles. So the 7 plus the 2 equals 9, the 9 plus the 4 equals 13, the 13 plus the 8 equals 21, and the 21 plus the
Yeah.
16 gives you 37.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nothing is wrong with that. But both of you are correct. It's actually 37. Alright? Good job, good job. But Ian, take your time. I've been saying that to Ian for over a year, guys. Just if him just relax, trust me. Him gonna get it incorrect. Alright, let's look at 28.
Can I explain 28?
Yeah, man. What's your name?
I got my
I'm
answer.
Kimberly.
Oh, Kimberly. Alright. So I'm gonna put your name. But everyone is going to try it first, right? Guys, just WhatsApp me what you think is the answer. And then Kimberly will take the floor. Alright. Let me small it up a bit. I'm guys, please join with your name here. As I see somebody in the chat name 11.
Kimberly, the name of my sister, Kimberly, the name of my
Okay.
actual classmate, imagine.
Okay, okay. Thanks,
Okay,
Natalia. Natalia, but guys, you're not following a simple instructions. I said that whatever question you're doing, you put the number there. Just like what Khalil did a while ago. Not what happened to the mail, Khalil? He's not here either. A lot of people put in your record.
I said mine in the chat.
Alright. Thanks, Demona Murphy. I got yours. But you didn't number it. Natalia didn't number it either.
sir, I can.
Alright. Thanks, Natalia.
Sir, I can explain now.
Wait,
Sir, I
Kimberly. I
texted
want
you
the others to
WhatsApp.
try, man. We have time, you know. We still have time.
Sir, I texted you in WhatsApp.
Alright. Thanks, Carl. I got yours too. Alright. Thanks, Ian. I got it also.
Sir, I sent mine in WhatsApp.
Alright.
So I sent mine in WhatsApp as well.
Yeah, I got it, Kayla. Renisa also got yours.
Sir, I sent mine in the group chat.
Kimona. No, not Kimona. It's Jevoy. That's your mom name. Jevoy, I got yours also. Thanks. Mekai, I got yours. Sakina, I got yours. Anik, also. Alright. Thanks so much, guys. This one was better. Sinclair, I got yours too. Demona Murphy. Now, Haley, I got yours. I didn't get Sydney one. What's up with that? Oh, Dijon Young have the 1-1. Why Dijon Young do that? Guys, join with your name, please. Alright? I will not let you in unless I know your name. So the new persons, please join with your name here, guys. Dijon Young, why you didn't put your name in the first place? Thanks, Alia. You had 111. What's up with that? Alright, Kimberly, go ahead and explain to us.
Okay, so how I got my answer was E, and the reason I got E is because if you look at the denominator, there are times in it by 2, or in other words, doubling it. And then since 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24. So that is how I got E.
I'm gonna agree. You guys agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But I
So
did
it's
certain
only the
numbers in the
denominator
second power.
changing. Alright. Yes, Sydney, correct also, and Alia. A number of persons got that one correct. I think because of the error that was done up there, persons kind of be more careful. But guys, I wanted to spend time and do it at all times. 29. Who want to read for me, please?
Briggs,
Sir.
Sir.
Briggs, please. Briggs, please, please,
All
please,
right,
please.
Briggs, go ahead, Briggs, go ahead.
Susan and Jerry measure their heights. Susan is 142 centimeters and Jerry is 18 centimeters taller than Suzanne. Which is closest to Jerry's height? NB send 100 centimeters plus 1 meter
Equal.
equals 1 meter.
Yeah. All right.
100 centimeters equals 1
You
meter.
want to attempt the question, take your time, but if you want to attempt
Yes,
it,
sir.
all right, so go ahead. Read
I
it.
would say it's 1 meter and 42 centimeters
But
because
you wouldn't
the
just
me-
work it out first.
So I work it out
I'm
and I got my
explaining,
answer.
sir. Sir, I'm explaining to you how I got that answer. As
Yeah,
it
man.
said,
Yeah,
100
go ahead.
centimeters equals a meter. So that 100 out of the 42 out of the 100 is pushed to the side, and you just have two imaginary zeros where the 42 was. So that means you're working with the 100 centimeters, and that equals 1 meter.
Okay.
So 1 meter now. Now you're going to use your right hand and pull back for that 42 centimeters. So that makes the answer now 1 meter and 42 centimeters.
Sir, I disagree.
All right. Go ahead, Aiden. Tell us
So I
why.
think it's C because it says 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. And then up here it says Susan is 142 centimeters and Jerry is 18 centimeters taller than Susan.
Yes, sir.
So you
You
add
should have
the
42 and
142 plus
18.
the 18.
You should have added the 142 with the 18.
That's what I'm saying, Briggs. Why
The
rush?
answer would have been B, 100
I'm
meters and
explaining
65.
Briggs. You already
That's
did your explaining.
Can you
Yeah,
please call me
fair
Sydney? I
enough,
don't
Briggs. So
want to
he's
call me
at
by my last.
162. Yeah, man, take it from there now, Aiden. Fair
And
enough.
then you subtract the 100 centimeters and you get your 1 meter. And you're going to left with 1 meter and 60 centimeters. And the closest thing to that is C, 1 meter and 59 centimeters.
I agree.
Sir, I agree, sir.
Yeah. But Briggs, I indicated that you should just take your time and do it, and you still go ahead and say, well, guys, that is it. That's what I've been saying that since what, about 2 weeks ago. That what I noticed, persons are trying to answer fast instead of accurate. I rather the other way around. Try to answer accurately. Because guess what? You will get a lot of time. You get 1.5 hours to answer the questions. The English part, that won't be long. So I'm not worried that you guys, based on the pace and how you're working class, I'm not worried that the time is gonna run out on you. You will get the 40 questions answered.
The vigilator can never tell us. Time's up, pencils down. We'll finish 50 minutes before.
Yeah, we don't need that.
If we get
So
1
what I
hour,
want you
50
guys to
minutes,
do,
we'll finish.
yeah, take your time, guys, and go over it. Take your time and go through each question thoroughly. Don't just rush to answer the question because you want to finish fast or you want to finish in 10 minutes. It's not a race. The objective is to see how many you can get, the maximum you can get out of the 40, which is 40. So our aim should be to get the 40, not to say you are the first one to finish your exam. You understand? So take your time, guys. Read it, go over it. Don't just answer like that.
Number 31.
All
Sir,
right.
can I explain this one?
All right, Abby.
Did you hear me, sir? Can I do number 31?
Yeah, man, you can.
That was Briggs, by the way.
Yeah, I know. So Abby, we're waiting on Abby.
Oh, so it says Fabian has 3/5 kilograms of onion. Latoya has 5 more onions than Fabian. On the number line below, distance 0 to 1 has been divided into 10 equal parts. So, first
Sir.
thing first, we are,
Guys, I can't interrupt the presenter, man. That's bad manners. Go ahead, Abby. Sorry about that.
so first things first, we have to add the 5 to the 3, and then we will get 8. So we know that Latoya has 8 onions. And then now, next now we have to convert the 3/5. So we have to find an equivalent fractions for the 3/5, which would equal to 6/10.
Alright,
So
tell
we
them where you
know
get the
that
6/10, Abby, because that was the problem this morning. When you got the 6/10, persons were saying they don't know how you got the 6/10. You can just share that with this group also.
So what I did, I multiplied 3 times 2, I got 6. And then I multiplied 5 times 2, and I got 10. And to check if that's correct, you can use it.
Yeah. So guys, why she did that, as she said this morning, because it's 10 strokes. So it makes sense you just convert it, the equivalent fraction to 10, because each one now is represented by one thing. Alright, go ahead.
So we know that 3/5 is greater than a half, so it couldn't be A or B. So it would either be C or D. So 6/10 would be located at C, so it must mean that Latoya's amount of onions, kilograms of onions, would be D.
Yeah.
So I think it would be point D.
Sure, I agree.
Correct. Yeah. So guys, this was equivalent fraction in a disguised way, basically. Or they want to test your number line skill, right? Because look at it. Each stroke add up to 10. So from 0 to 1 is 10. So what they did, they give you 3/5. But if we understand, we know that 3/5 is greater than a half. Since we know fractions, right? That means that we could eliminate these immediately. Couldn't be these. Because it says Latoya has more onions than Fabian. So that means whatever whatever Fabian have, it's gonna be greater. So when you work out and you get the 6/10, then we can start say, okay, this one is 1/10. The next one is 2/10. Because it's now in tens, right? And then 3/10, 4/10, and then half, of course, would be 5/10. So now C would be 6/10. Guess what? 6/10 is equivalent to the 3/5. So that means that this is Fabian share, our onion weighs. That means Latoya, because they have more, we are going to assume that it's heavier. Even though it's not necessarily true, you know, because guess what? You can have big onion and small onions. So the examiner don't really think about it like that way. There. But you can have, somebody can have 3 onions and
Excuse me,
somebody
sir.
have 5 onions and the one with 3 way more, you know. But
Excuse
you understand what I say, guys? They never think all the onions are the same way. They should say all the onions weigh the same, but they did not say that. So you understand what I'm saying, guys? You can have more onions and it weigh less. Suppose a big onions, Fabian have, and Latoya have some teeny onions. But we
excuse
know
me,
we know what the objective.
sir, I don't understand how you get D for your answer. You could go over it one more time, please.
Alright, we got D. So the only thing we need to do is identify Fabian weight. The onion that Fabian weighs. And 3/5, when you convert it to equivalent fraction, 3/5 would be 16. So right at C, that is what Fabian onion weighs. But because we know that Latoya has 5 more, and we're assuming that it's greater weight, we know that it's 6. But we didn't work it out and get the 7/10. We did not do that. We don't necessarily need to do that either. We only need to show that Latoya has a greater weight than Fabian in terms of the onion. That's it. So we did not work it out and get 7/10, even though Abby attempted to do that. That's not necessary. We just need to know that it weighs more. It couldn't be these because these weigh less than 3 feet.
Sir, this morning I left that's like the thing that you just said, like 3/5 is greater than a half. I left it out this morning.
Okay,
But I was
yeah. Guys, ironically, we reached the same place that we reached this morning. Even though we took a different approach, we end up with the same answer. What's up? So guys, yeah, all right. I call him because you record it, yeah? Yeah. All right, guys. So Briggs, you had volunteer for 31.
So this morning we had a debate about this one.
Yeah, I know. My original answer was that answer that I am against now, because person say, well, and I kind of bought into it, say, yeah.
Yes, I was saying babies, and then you said parents.
Yeah, but because others were saying that the babies are young, newborn, so that's why I kind of concede and say, all right, yeah, they have a point. So that is why I said that.
So what was the answer?
No, Biggs volunteered to answer. So Biggs want to hear Biggs do it.
Oh, I thought you said it was A.
No man, we didn't say anything. Abby was just saying that we had an argument over it this morning. So that was, yeah, we were discussing it. That's one thing about these guys, they can be a little bit tricky. So sometimes you have to really wonder.
Excuse me, sir, is there someone to explain their
There
reasoning?
was Briggs, but I don't hear.
If he doesn't if he doesn't come on, can I do it?
All right, go ahead, Kayla.
After, sir.
Hey, then like how you go many times. Yeah, make Kayla go on now, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, what I was saying, I think it would be babies because they want to find out if babies like their flavor. So I think it should be babies.
All right.
Excuse me,
Because
sir, can I say?
if the
Sir,
babies,
can I add to that?
sir, hold on,
Sir,
guys,
can I
I'm not
add to that?
finished.
Wait,
Guys,
just
I'm not
all
finished.
right, just allow her to finish and then allow her
So,
to finish.
sir,
Allow her to finish and then.
So, sir, even if the babies can't talk, they must show some expression that they like the baby formula. Either they don't cry, they don't push it away or something, sir. They must show something.
All right.
Excuse me, sir, can I
Sir, can
say?
I add to that? Sir, can I add to that?
Yeah, man, go ahead, Abby.
Sir, so as she was saying, the babies have to show some expression. Like for example, sir, say for instance, the parent teaches the child the formula and the child spits it out. It means that they don't like it. And then if they like smile or laugh or something and they don't spit it out, then that means the child likes it.
Sir, can I say something? It's
Yeah.
Kimberly.
Go ahead.
I would say it's the parents because, why one of the reasons why it couldn't be babies because babies are in a stage of developing. They don't know if they want too much milk. They don't know if they want this. So babies can't really tell you like, oh, I like this and I like this and I like this. I would think it would be more suitable for the parents um to to do the survey because you can say for instance a parent say I don't like this formula because my baby are rash. It makes my baby it makes my baby tummy hurts, and it makes my baby you know, like when baby just born they have gripe, it makes my baby gripe more.
You know,
Sir,
right?
I
I
disagree.
heard that word before, no,
Sir,
right?
But
Have
sir,
you-
but
Sir,
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 Yeah?
sir,
Babies
sir,
sir,
don't know
so
what
your
can I
they
parents
want.
have
Babies
different
don't
taste
know what
buds
they
than
want.
babies,
So,
sir.
excuse me,
all right,
sir?
No,
I
hold
was
on, hold
Like
on.
it.
Aiden, to her defense, she's not saying that the parents
sir,
Excuse
is
me,
going to
sir.
taste it. No. She's saying that the
Sir,
parents
I'm
will
sir.
not
give the
sir,
feedback.
finished.
sir, the parents have to check the ingredients before they feed their child.
Yeah.
Excuse
Sir,
me,
that's not.
sir.
Sir,
So
that's
what's
not
the
No,
answer,
sir.
true.
guys?
I don't think it's parents, sir.
Sir,
How are you supposed to?
doesn't it depend on the baby's age of development?
But I think he said something
Exactly, that's
about,
what I'm saying. The parents are older, they have different tastes, but the babies are young.
yeah,
They
but
like
Aiden,
So,
Exactly.
Aiden, they are
But
not
sir,
sir,
saying,
does
hold
sir,
on,
I
I
Aiden,
want
think it's babies, sir. That's
Aiden,
sir,
fine.
Aiden,
does
she's not saying that the parents should taste it, She's saying that the parents would feed the babies and then the parents would give feedback as to say, all right, my
exactly.
baby does not like this. So
Sir,
that is
but
what she's saying. She did not say the parents is going to taste it and decide for the babies. She's saying that the parents are responsible for the babies since they are young. So the parents would actually taste it and then give to the babies. Guys, that one here I gonna leave.
Sir,
I gonna
it
leave.
would make sir, it would make
sir,
sir, it would make no sense if the parents taste
sir,
it
but the
because if
babies can
babies taste
taste
it,
it
why
too.
would the
exactly because
parents
they
Because
want
taste
to
it?
find out if the babies like it, not the parents.
Yes,
Exactly.
Kayla. But Kayla
Exactly.
and Abby,
Sir,
what you
how
guys
can
are
a
doing?
baby tell if they like something? Babies can
No,
be touched
listen,
tell
listen.
what
the
baby
So
like.
parents,
if the
so the
baby
parents
doesn't,
can
you
know that
must
when the
know.
baby
Okay, guys, listen to me.
like
Listen to
baby
me.
food. Most people
Aiden,
don't like
hold on.
baby
Aiden,
food.
Aiden, hold on. Listen to me. Guys, if a baby doesn't like something, they're going to start crying or pushing it away and throwing a tantrum.
What if the baby
That is
tummy is
true.
hurting
sir,
Exactly.
the
But
baby
what
could
if the
show
baby is
sign.
small?
Sir,
The
the
baby is
baby
so
could
small
show.
that he doesn't want it, that she's not gonna taste it because he's very
No,
Exactly.
hungry.
He's going to
sir,
show,
the sir,
he
the
or
baby
she's
could
going to show something that says, oh, I don't like this.
Guys,
I'm not going
guys,
to eat
listen to
it.
this. But Kayla, what you and Abby were doing, you guys were actually twisting the other's words though. When they did not say, at no point did they say the parents must taste it. They were only saying that the parents would give feedback. So we don't want to change their words. Guys, we're gonna come back to this. Um, all right, let me tell you guys, when I did this paper originally, I thought it was baby because I was saying a survey is an observation. That was my theory. I was saying they could observe if the baby like it. But guess what? Persons were
Sorry, the
saying, Mr.
parents would have to observe.
Yeah, the parents would have to approve it in the first place because babies, they don't have a choice. So it's the
Sir.
parents would have to do it first and then observe. So guys, my thing now, my initial one was babies, but I'm gonna go with parents now. But we can come back to this, next class. So everybody just yeah, we're gonna leave this one. We're gonna end this one.
Question and my teacher said it was also parents.
Yeah, some person still says babies also.
I think
But
it's babies because, as you said, sir, a survey is when you observe by yourself. You don't
that's what
take
Google
things
says, but
from
then
people, sir.
For the
Exactly. I'm
parents.
Because,
on Canada's side.
sir,
Flavia,
I'm on
what
listen to
if a
Canada's
Flavia.
parent
side.
is lying
Flavia.
because they want them to succeed in
No,
selling the
you're
product?
assuming. No,
What
you're
if
assuming. No, you're going. Oh, no, that's assuming. No, that's not relating to the topic. So it have to be parents because the only person
nah?
who can observe is the parent because they're the one taking care of the babies. Babies don't know what they
Exactly.
want because they're in the stage of developing.
Exactly. It has to
No,
be the
it has
parents.
to be
All right,
On
parents.
Canada's
all right,
side.
guys. So next
I'm
week
on
we're
It
gonna
don't
Canada's
think
continue with
that
this.
side.
way.
Time.
Because it's a good example. So babies like baby food. Some people don't like baby food. So the baby can like the formula and the parents disagree. So they don't like the
Oh my
formula.
god.
All right, guys. We're gonna
But
continue
So,
with this. Guys, next class we're gonna continue with this 31. So everybody go and build their argument. I think I'm gonna send it to the group so everybody can look at 31 and build your argument and come back. But as I said, guys, initially I picked babies because I was saying they could just observe the babies. But when I threw it out to other teachers, they were saying, Mr. Benny, but it would need the parents' approval to give the baby in the first place. So that's why I kind of say, yeah, that is true. But guys, if I can prove a different point and say, okay, it's not the parents, I am willing to go back to babies. All right.
So you can, so
But
you can't just get over with it and just say Dina, cause it's kind of obvious. Yeah.
no, man, we're gonna come back to it. We're gonna end on that note, guys. But the class was very nice. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. And it was good. So guys, I'm gonna stop recording now. I think I want to send this video instead of the next one.